go get them again.
Welcome back to another unboxing first impression video on my channel. Today we are delving into the brand of Comptoir Sud Pacifique. This one, their vanilla-based fragrance, a little tiny bottle called Vanille Extrême. So extreme vanilla. Now Comptoir Sud Pacifique, we got a little bit over here. A brand that I discovered a long time ago. This one is for the decant site. They want me to decant it. There's not much left into it, but we're going to delve into it. We'll make a video out of it. Why not? Obviously a brand that has very simplistic ideas. They do use vanilla in a lot of their fragrances, but my journey started here. I kind of separated these two here. My journey started here with Comptoir Sud Pacifique because it started with the banana, basically the banana milkshake, vanilla milkshake of the game, which is called Vanille. It smells exactly like a banana milkshake. Beautiful scent, actually. Like very simplistic, very synthetic, but so well done. And then I moved on to this one, which is Vanille Mocha, which is their coffee-based fragrance. Again, very synthetic, very simplistic, but gorgeous. It's beautifully done. And then I moved on to Amour de Cacao, which of course is their coffee or coffee chocolate-based one. So a lot of gourmands, right? And all excellent, all three of them. No complaints here. I do own Cocoa Extrême, which I believe is like more of a coconut, and this is Cocoa Fig, which more of a fig thing. But here we're going to go into the vanilla and see what they give us. This is a 30 ml, so their new presentation. I don't think I own one of their new presentations. So this one obviously is a leaky bottle because this is all scratched up to hell, which looks like it leaked over the sticker, but I do know that it's Vanilla Extreme on it. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Here I am just giving you my thoughts on a fragrance brand like this, that A, is not gonna get me clicks. B, right, I could easily just go, look, they're paying me for decanting. They're not paying me to do this video. This is on my own volition. And why I do these, like it's gonna hurt my channel. However, if it helps one, two people, maybe it's going to help someone find out Comptoir Sud Pacifique. Maybe they're going to try out their coffee-based. Maybe their vanilla banana milkshake sounds good to me. I'm going to try it. If I can help out one person, I don't care about the channel. I'm not trying to be, I'm not trying to be an all-star here in the, this is not my job. So that's why if you're new to me, right, you want to discover things and have like a guy that's just going to be truthful. I'm going to tell you, I don't care about the brand, the name on it. I'm going to tell you with my experience, is this a great vanilla? Is it one of the best? And I'm putting it against its counterparts, things that are more expensive or maybe in the same realm against the same brand. Things like that is what I do. So smash that subscribe. Smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it because this one's not going to get much love. It's going to hurt my channel. So try to help out as much as you can. And to my returnees, welcome back. If you're checking out this video, you're the all-star. Not me. You're the all-star. I'm checking out a video on a Comptoir Sud Pacifique vanilla-based fragrance. Love you all. Just supporting me. I love it. Thank you so much. Now let's take a look at the note breakdown. Let's see. It should be very simplistic, and it is. In the top, we got vanilla, sugar, and heliotrope. In the mid, we got milk and vanilla. In the base, we got milk and vanilla. Okay, 3 vanillas, 2 milks. Okay, so I think I know where we're going here. A milky vanilla. It was released back in 2005, so it has some years behind it. Nose, Jacques Lyon. Pricing, we're looking at, it retails for 110 USD. Oof. But if you're going at discounters, I'm sure you could find it cheaper than this, but around $60 to $70 at discounters. So, and again, these Comptoir Sud Pacifiques, like I found mine, like all these great ones, these good ones, we'll say, 50, 60 bucks Canadian, right? This is my threshold for Comptoir Sud Pacifique. I wouldn't go any higher than that, just in regards to what they give me. Now, if you pay more than that, it's your journey, it's your wallet, it's your purse, it's all that, right? I'm not holding you back in regards to that, but that's my internal threshold. Only if a Comptoir Sud Pacifique fragrance comes out, it's a limited edition, it's hard to find, and it's really like kind of around this realm, something like a little gourmandish, and I may pay just a little bit more to get it, but I'm not actively searching Comptoir Sud Pacifiques anymore. I'm not. Maybe I should. We'll see. This is what this, again, I got thousands of samples to go through on my channel. So you never know. A CSP could pop up at any time. So as per usual, this has been sprayed before. It's just a returned product that they want me to decant. Atomizer works. Let's see how it smells on a piece of paper. Then I'll put it on skin as the true test. Oh yeah. It smells like Vanille banane. Remove the banana. Vanilla milkshake. Right? It's sugary. So it has like almost, it has like, it's not just straight up milk. It has a vanillic texture or scent profile, sugary, like think ice cream or something like that. It smells like straight up milky vanilla. It's creamy. It's very synthetic. It's very much bordering this line of, is this going into the gourmand territory where it goes like more almost sugary cereal with the milk, right? It makes me think of Frosted Flakes. You ate all the flakes and the sugar off the Frosted Flakes, the frosting in the milk, yeah. Or just a vanilla milkshake where you put milk and you put a couple, you know, gallops of vanilla ice cream and call it a day. But it goes also in this vanilla lotion because the heliotrope is kind of giving you a schmidden, a little bit of the almond powdery feel to it. And that's where it's kind of going into that territory. Now let's see what it does on my skin. So it's going in, oh, it's going way more into this whole ice cream Frosted Flakes thing. Whew, she's sweet. So there's not much to say here. This is a very simple, straightforward unboxing first impression. Some brands, I'm gonna struggle to hit 10 minutes on a video. I don't care. It takes as long as it takes. I do like to talk, so it may hit 10. But basically what I've said on the strip is exactly what I'm getting on skin. And my educated guess is this is not going to move at all after this introduction. So what you see is what you get. Development null. So if you don't like this introduction, don't wait. It's not going to get any better. Oh, yeah. So yeah, it's kind of almost giving me, I almost feel like saying vanilla icing on a cupcake. So it gave me like more on the strip. It gave me a little more heliotrope than on my skin. My skin's eating up the, usually heliotrope on my skin goes hella powdery. I always say that as kind of like a little joke. And it had more on the strip than on my skin. My skin ate that all up, and it reminds me more of like that Frosted Flakes kind of cereal, milky vanilla milkshake slash cupcake vanilla icing. If you're looking for a vanilla cake thing, go check out Vanilla Cake by Montal, by the way. Because if you like these kind of gourmands, Montal and Comptoir Sud Pacifique, their gourmands are kind of, as far as quality goes and imagery, samesies. Like Chocolate Grady, Vanilla Cake from Montal can go head to head against the Vanille Mocha here, the Vanille Banane of the game. They're in the same kind of category. So this one right here, just exactly what it says on the sticker. Lots of vanilla, yeah. Synthetic, you're not going to get like a Spiritueuse Double Vanille here, which is my holy grail of vanillas. It always has been, 10 plus years since I've been boasting that. Almost, oh God, it might be 20 years. Oh man, I'm showing my age. When I first introduced SDV to the YouTube community. Yeesh. And it's been #1 since then. That has a lot more of a vanilla extract kind of feel, like very syrupy, dark, beautiful, gorgeous. Oh, so worth the money. This is just your playful, regular, run-of-the-mill vanilla, right? You can go to a milky cereal. I'm thinking Frosted Flakes, where all the frost was off the flakes and it's in the milk. It reminds me of that. It can remind you a little bit of lotion, so it reminded me a little bit of that on the thing. So like a vanilla lotion kind of thing because of the heliotrope. Because heliotrope will give you kind of a floral aspect, a powdery aspect, an almond-like aspect. It's not very almondy to me personally. It has a little bit of that on the strip. Vanilla icing, but it's not super dense. I've smelt a lot of vanillas that have that icing sugar. It's there. It is sweet. But yeah, meh. It's just a meh. I can't, it's nothing outstanding. I prefer these three. Like, it's going to go into this pile where it's like kind of like forgettable, but I'll smell it once in a while. I'll be like, it's all right. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Again, if I get 5 comments on this video, it's a win. But yeah, Vanille Extreme. Let us know what you think. And if you haven't smelt this, but you have smelt a lot of CSP, shoot them up in the comments below. Let us know which ones are the best. I love seeing comments like that, especially with a brand like this that I've smelt maybe like several, right? I'm probably like around 10-ish that I've smelt. Like, I haven't published all the fragrances I've smelt from CSP. But, it's a brand that it's like 50 bucks at most. But they do some interesting fragrances at times. I don't think this is one of those. It's very straightforward, very simplistic. It says what it says on the sticker. It does it in the bottle. It is extremely vanillic, yeah. And as always, a great import fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube.